So I got this old wood stove here. It used to belong to my grandmother's brother. He had it down in his basement. I've had it for a while. I run it for 2 years. And the second year, well, the whole time I noticed how nice the castings were in it. Very, very detailed. And no imperfections. There's no cracks. And having owned a couple Korean knockoffs that weren't done that well, the casting. Second year, I really got a hankering to clean this thing up, and so now that I've got it dismantled, no place to run it for a little while until I get a shed built for it. I hauled her out the other day and laid the wire brush to it, and then just hit it with soap and water and rinsed it off. Used a brush just to kind of scrub the soap in, clean it up, just mainly get the dirt off it. And now I'm taking at it just with some vegetable oil and toothbrush. Just work it in, and that should sink in, and I'll let that sit for a bit. I didn't know what to treat it with, but say it's probably the same as they used to do, just whatever you had to work with. And right now I don't really have any way to heat it up. It's October and it is chilly, so I figure the vegetable oil would get in and around and sink in, do a good job as anything. Now, in addition to the high quality of the casting, I found a maker's mark on it, and I don't know if you can read that there. Get some lighting. It says Edingtons, Glasgow. So I looked that up, and turns out, of course, yes, there is a foundry in that area. I think early 1800s, mid 1800s, and they produced mostly ornamental work, but broad range of materials beyond that. So, anyways, just getting her cleaned up here now, and be nice to see her all back together. I was gonna wander over here. Some of the others is the rest of the front door there. That's the back. That's another side sitting there. And then the should have brought the freaking light. Show this. It's beautiful. That's the base. All the other parts interlock into this groove here. Not a bolt or nothing on it. A few rivets hold the legs on. But some beautiful castings in there. So, anyways, we'll get her back together, and that's my take on restoring a wood stove.